Yo, phone on D&D. Let's lock in, bro. Don't mind the background. I know I got some peanut butter. Don't ask why I got peanut butter, all right? I be making my PBJs and shit. Bro. Yo. First off, let me just get this out the way. With my 200K challenge, y'all, I gotta zoom in so I can tell y'all. Bro. I've started, I got to 215K. Oh, bro, I only needed 220. I got to 215K 3 times. Had to start over because the markets was moving down, right? 3 different times. Imagine being that close 3 different times and having to start over. Nigga, today is the day. I just passed my shit. Like, nigga, I just passed my shit. Like, nigga, I just passed my shit. Bro, I'm trying not to geek out because it's late at night. But bro, I try to pull up my analytics for y'all for my, I try to pull up my analytics for y'all on my trading account. But it's not letting me see my bar chart to show y'all the 3 different times. So I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna screenshot it, put it on the screen so I can show y'all that I'm on my phase 2. But nigga, we did it. Bro, we did it. Bro, this morning, I promise you, before I got in these trades I'm about to show y'all, bro, this morning I was at 202,000, bro. Now I'm at 220. What's crazy is, like, I don't know if y'all been looking at the JPY pairs, but that's the shit that cooked my 214K the second time, like this week and the end of last week, baking my shit. But y'all know how we get. I'm finna show y'all my setup and let's get straight into this video. Bro, y'all, for me passing my favorite one, y'all gotta hit that like button. Spam that like button, bro. I know we can get to 100 likes, bro. Hit that sub button too, cause we finna cook. The hard part is over with. First off, I just want to thank God. The hard part is over with. We just made 20K. That shit's out the way. Think about that. Bro, 20K? 20K? You telling me you gave Griff an account that was at 200,000 and he got it to 220,000? The hard part is over with. The phase 2, we only got to make 10 bands. Nigga, that's a fucking layup. All I got to wait is for the right setup, bro. Anyways, I'm too geek right now. Let's just start this screen share and I'm finna show y'all how I did this shit. So let's get straight into it. If you look at my trading view, this pair is Euro NZD. So what made me get in this trade, if you look at the daily, it looks good, right? As you can see up in here, we had from first glance you could see that it looks like a consolidation, but what I seen was a head and shoulders pattern. This high is clearly higher than these two right here. So you can see the head right here, you can see the shoulders. Y'all know when I see a head and shoulders pattern, I see money, bro. So even if you was the type of person to think that this is consolidation, this right here, this bearish engulfing candle right here low-key broke structure, even if you thought that this was a consolidation candle. So around here, that candle right there is like a clear sign to, like, hey, price is breaking. If you want to make some bread on sales, you could have got in here, put your stops behind here, and you could have just let it run. Me, I seen that. I seen my MAs cross, and I seen another bearish engulfing following that. That sign right there just clearly showed me, like, hey, get in. But let me show y'all how I 200 IQ'd this trade. So my first trade is, I could take off the alerts because I don't need that shit anymore. Delete. So my first trade, which is the one on the left, which is back here, y'all seen, after I seen that bearish engulfing, I got in. I put my stops behind this bearish engulfing and I just let it go, right? The second day, which is yesterday, after I got a second bearish engulfing candle, what y'all gotta learn how to do is, when y'all are in profits and price shouldn't come back, like, let me explain this, y'all. Bro, my hand is literally shaking, bro. I'm too geek. But let me focus up. after I seen this bearish engulfing candle, right? At that point, I put my stops in profit and I was like, bro, I'm gonna just act like I didn't get in this trade and get in on the same position again, because technically I can't lose. My stops is in profit. Worst come to worst is I lose 6K on the second trade, which I put my, like, as y'all can see, my second trade right here, my stop loss was literally behind the candle. Worst things come to worst, my first trade breaks even and I lose 6K. So I was like, hey, this shit look good. If y'all see a good setup and you can put your stops in profit, that's respecting price action, why not? Like, what's stopping you? So that's exactly what I did. And I got in the same trade, and as y'all can see, that $900 L and that $500, well, that $900 L, price acted like it was gonna reverse back up. So I was just taking my little, like, I was taking my break even trades, and eventually it kept selling. So like this time I'm like, bro, like, literally while I was at work, it acted like it wanted to go up. Like it acted like it wanted to go up and tap my entry on the break even entry, but it never did it. Like, he started to act like it, but I just held it, bro. I was 10 toes in that trade with my arms crossed, with my chest big. I'm like, hey, worst case scenario, I break even one trade, lose 6K. Best case scenario, I pass my account. All I need is a couple pips because I got the same lot size on 2 different trades. So it's basically double my TP with less amount of pips. And bro, I just like, nigga, I just killed this shit. Literally, bro, I just killed this shit. Bro, I was literally watching God of War fights, knocked out. I looked at my computer over there, I'm blurry eye, like, bro, did that motherfucker just drop? Like, I'm over here like, nigga, did that just give me some pips like how I wanted to? I actually seen that, bro. I actually seen that, bro. Kid you not. But let me show y'all one last thing before I end this video. The main thing, market structure and price action was the main source of why I got in this trade. But bro, y'all have to use the RSI how I use the RSI, bro. Shout out to my boy Kale, bro. You are a GOAT for teaching me how to use the RSI correctly. Not how Jeremy Cash teaches you on YouTube. No shade to you, my nigga. But I remember back in 2020, that nigga RSI strategy, bro, that nigga made me lose all my damn graduation money. I never forget that. All my graduation money gone because of his RSI strategy. Fuck out of here, nigga. All respect to Jeremy Cash, because you be teaching some niggas how to make some bread, but not Griff. Anyways, like, remember how I told y'all in my older videos, RSI, do not use it as once price gets up in here, sell. Once price get up in here, but don't use it like that. How y'all have to use RSI, it works best on a 4 hour. The daily, you already know it's green. On the weekly, like this trade right here, I'm finna show y'all. Nigga. So look, on the weekly, I seen this shit crossing through the 50. Price action is already showing y'all that we in seller's market, right? Whenever y'all see price action finna shoot through the 50 to the side that you want it to go, nigga, you might as well get in a trade, have a respectable stop loss, like behind, like if it's a seller's market, put your stop loss somewhere respectable where price is gonna respect it. Like me, I put my stop loss behind the lower high. If it hits my stop loss, it's no longer a downtrend, it broke the trend. So, nigga, I'm risking how much money that I want to risk. That's smart. If price breaks structure, it's no longer a downtrend. And it never broke structure, bro. Never broke structure, shot through the 50. I'm done with the hard part. For this next 10K, I'm taking a smart trade because I don't want to get beside myself, take a bad trade, and you know what I'm saying, I'm not even gonna speak that bad stuff into existence. I'm gonna be patient. The next goal is 10K. You know what I'm saying? I'm just too geeked. I really don't know what to say. If y'all love this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. This is just the beginning, bro. Y'all, we finna get lit. We finna get lit. Like, lit. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I told y'all I was finna do this shit, nigga. What I tell y'all? I told y'all I was finna do this shit. Bro, I'm telling y'all seen in the last video, I spoke this shit into existence. Like, hey, next video is gonna be me passing. I'm telling y'all I'm finna do that shit. And I'm geeking. All right, bro, I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm too geek.